Notice the address book I have set up here for you. We're going to use this a little bit later on in the lesson when we get to mail merge so we can practice how to merge our Excel address book with Word documents to create letters and mailing labels or even envelopes. Your address book is going to be a little bit different than this, but take note of the way it's set up. A couple nice little things that you are going to do to your address book so it'll work better for you. Notice the alternating color scheme. That makes it easy for your eyes to read as we go across. I used border lines to separate my columns and rows, so once again, for ease of reading. I stream across, notice, far beyond my monitor, but notice what happens when I go there. I can, show you an even better example, I can use what's called a freeze pane that helps bring my information, especially if it's phone numbers, closer to the last name of the people in my address book. That way my eyes don't lose track of what line I'm on as I go. And it's not so hard to move across the page. Something like this can be built over many years. You can keep adding contacts to it and deleting contacts as you see fit. You could, of course, have many sheets in an address book down here. We could rename them. That way you could keep family, friends, work, and things of that nature a little bit separate. So now we're going to create an address book. We're going to pretend that you're going to throw yourself a graduation party just to give you a purpose for creating an address book. You're also going to end up creating some other blank pages in your address book that are at least already formatted. And then that way, if you see the usefulness of this particular lesson, you could start building your own address book. Now that you're only in high school, by the time you graduate high school, college, and beyond, you can keep building that address book. It'd be a wise idea to maybe try and encourage the family to get an Excel address book going at home. Once you have that in place, you'll be amazed at the amount of time that you're going to save using this in a mail merge.